Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
So if you count these 16 flights that we are planning over the next 24 hours, with that will take it to what? 64 flights by tomorrow around the same time. We think with this, the vast majority of Indians who have crossed over from Ukraine would have returned back to India. Moving on to what's happening on the ground, let me focus attention on Kharkiv and Sumy, which have been obviously of interest. Western side, I'm happy, and I'll come to that in a minute. I think it's improved and it's quite normalized. I just wanted to emphasize that we will continue this process with the buses as we can get it. Please do remember, this is the conflict zone. Many of the buses are utilized by the army, by other authorities. So whatever we can get, there are shortages of drivers, petrol, whatever. But we will try this.
गोयचे 19 विद्यार्थी युक्रेनात आशिल्ले, तातूंतल्या 9 जाणांक हाडले. आदीस राती आनीक तीग. NRI आयुक्तान दिल्ल्या म्हायती प्रमाण दाबळेचो मिहीर पांडे आनी बाणावलेचे जेलिफा गोयश रोमानियासान गोंयांत पावली. सांत इनेजचो साफान आल्मेद दिल्ली पावला.
Yeah, very much intention. Like her father is in UK, he was also panicking. We were also here panicking. I've got 2 more daughters, son, my old mother. So like we were just praying to God for her safe return to home.
Came back, there were sirens everywhere. So as soon as the sirens started, like all our people from the hostel had to go in bunkers. So for 2 nights and 2 days, this was the situation over there. Every time there were sirens, very loud. It was very scary. So we spent 2 nights in the bunkers, and it was very crowded there. Then on the 3rd day, we tried to contact the Indian embassy, but they said not to go to the borders because the situation was very scary. And we went to the western border near Romania. So at the border, the situation was very traumatizing because there were like 2,000 to 3,000 people there. It was all a stampede. And Ukrainian soldiers, Indians have passage din ahle. They were only allowing Ukrainians to go.
Goa government and कशी help केली तुमका?
Goa government, the NRI director from here, Anthony, he kept calling and asking where you are. Like he kept asking about me. And they were at Delhi airport. There was someone to pick me up from the Goa government. Then after staying 12 hours in the line, we finally crossed the border. But once we crossed the border at Romania, then the embassy helped us. The embassy arranged shelters and buses.
Bureau report, Prudent.